everyone. It is correctly said, the creator of the universe works in mysterious ways, but he uses a base 10 counting system and likes round numbers. So with this, in this video, I am going to explain you how to convert from binary to octal and from octal to binary. So now, binary and octal systems are different number systems commonly used in computing. They have different bases. The base of binary number system is 2 and the base of octal number system is 8. Meaning in binary number system the digits 0 and 1 are used, whereas in octal number system digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are used. So now to convert from binary to octal we need to group this. So this however sounds far more complicated than this very easy conversion actually is. So now let's see in detail how to convert from binary to octal. So first step, you need to first recognize series of binary numbers. Binary numbers are simply strings of ones and zeros, such as 101, 001, 001 or even just 1. So if you see this kind of a string, it is usually binary. So however, some books and teachers further denote binary numbers through a subscript that is base 2, such as 101 to the base 2, which represents confusion with the number 1001. So 1001, even it is a decimal number, but when we represent a binary number we give the base 2 so that there is no confusion. So like over here also I have given. So now next to after grouping all the ones and zeros in the binary number in sets of 3. So you need to group these all digits in the sets of 3. Like this I have grouped over here. This 001 starting from the right you need to group. So 001 this is one group, and this is 001 this is another group, and here this is 10 in another group. So here don't it doesn't matter that there are 2 digits or 1 digit left at the last. Okay, so now we will arrange this also. So in the next step, after doing this much, add zeros to the left now, because here in the last group we have only 2 digits, so you need to add 1 0 over here. So for example, now ordinary binary number it's like this, and then you are grouping that from here from the right 110 and then 110 again this over here, and here 01 here. So now here since there are only 2 digits at last, so you need to add one more 0. So adding zeros for groups of 3. This is the next step. So now what you need to do now, add a 4 to 1 to each pair of these groups, right? So now we start from there, right? 4 to 1 over here, and then here this 011 is also I'm also added 4 to 1 over here, and then 010 I have also added 4 to 1 over here. Take another example. Now here 010011, the same way, this same example. And if you take another one example 1100100001, you can write like this 4 to 1, and then here also 4 to 1 4 to 1. So there is also a shortcut I'll teach you in my next slides over here, and you can skip these steps in the shortcut method. So next step, if there is 1 above any of your placeholders, write that number 4 to 1. So to start your octal number, if there is one a 1 above the 4. So if suppose here it is having in this first pair, it is having this one above this, above this one there is 1, above this 2 is also there is 2. So write this 2, 2 and 1, this 2, 1 you will write over here. And now above this 4 it is 0, so write 0 over here. Above this 4 also it's 0, so write 0. Wherever it is 0, above this 1 it is 0, so write 0. And above this 4 also it's 0, so write 0 over here. And wherever there is 1, just write the digit whatever it is. If it is 4, you will write 4. If it is 2, it is you will write 2. If below whatever it is, whichever digit is it below that 1. So if here below 1 it is 2, if it suppose here instead of 0 it is 1, so below 1 you are having 4, so you will write 4 over here, right? So don't get confused between this. For example, I have given you another example over here, 101 010 011. So here I have written 421 421 421 like this. And now below this one, here you are having 1, so I am writing 1. Below this one again it is here we are having 2, so I am writing 2 over here. Below this 0, since 4 over here, so I am writing 0 because it is 0, no, so that's why. And now below this 0 again it is 0. Below this 0 you are also 0. And now below this 1 you are having 2, so that's why you are writing 2 over here. And now below this 1 you are having 1, so write 1. So here 0, so 0. Here this 1, here you need to write 4 only, eh? So now I hope your doubt is clear. So now after this, what you need to do is next, so add up the new numbers now. So here you got this one, these numbers, so now you will add up. So here 0 plus 2 plus 0 is how much? 2. Here 0 plus 2 plus 1 is how much now over here? 3. And now here 0 plus 2 plus 1 is again 3 over here. Now continue. Now here example I have again given you over here. So 101 010 and 011. So 421 421 421. So here below 1 you are having 1, so that's why 1. So below 1 here you are having 2, so that's why 2. Now 0 you will always write 0 only. So 0 here also 0. So here also 0, you need to write 0 over here. Now below this 1 you are having 2, so that's why write 2. So and then here you are this here in this second place you are having 0, so you write 0 only. And now here below this 1 you are having 1, so write 1. Below this 1 you are having 4, so write 4. And now add this up, 4 plus 0 plus 1, 4 plus 0 plus 1, it is equal to 5. And now 0 plus 2 plus 0 is how much? It is equal to 2. And now 0 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to how much? 3. So now this is your required octal number here, which is your octal number 233. So now you can place your newly converted answer together. Now you will write this together, and then your base is 8, because the base of octal number it is 8. So now look over here, this also after converting you got 523, and now you can put this together, and then your base over here in this also is 8. So now next you can use a simple octal conversion chart too, to save your time and work. So how will you do that now? So this won't work on a test, but is a great choice in any other setting. So since there are only 8 possible combination of numbers, it is actually a pretty easy chart to memorize. All you have to do is separate the numbers in groups of 3. Then match them with the chart in this. I have given you this chart, so you can match them with this. And then you need to note how numbers 8 and 9 don't have straight conversions in octal. These numbers do not exist, no, so that's why. So since there are only 8 digits 0 to 7 in base 8 systems, so that's why only 0 to 7 can only be converted. We cannot assume that decimal number system over here. Okay, now next, how to convert using this chart. Example I have given you this. Okay, start pairing from here. 0 1 1, so 0 1 1 is equal to how much? 3. So that's why I've written over here 3. And now here 1 1 0 0 1, sorry, 0 1 1, it's also 3 over here, so I've written 3. And now next, the last one is left. Here only 2 digits are there, so keep a 0 over here. And then 0 1 0 is how much? 0 1 0 is 2, so that's why 2 3 3 and to the base 8. It sounds quite easy, so you can convert in this way also, from binary to octal. So here I've given you another one example how to convert this binary quite big number. So 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. So I've grouped this in the pairs of 3. So in the last we have 100 100, and then after that 1 1 1, so 1 1 1, and then 0 1 0, and then the last one is 1 left over here. So since only one number is left, I've added two more zeros over here. So these two after adding these two zeros, it completes the group of 3 bits over here. And now this is you need to convert this 100 into, now according to that chart, it is equivalent to 4 in octal number, and this 111, it is equivalent to 7 in octal number, and 010, it is equivalent to 2 in octal number. 001, it is equivalent to 1 in octal number. So therefore your this binary to octal, it is what? Now your final octal number is 1274 and the base is 8. So this is how you can convert even by this shortcut method also. Use this octal conversion chart to convert from octal back to even binary also. So how will you use now? Use the octal conversion chart to convert octal back to binary. You will need the chart to work backward, as a simple 3 doesn't give you enough information to do the math unless you already know that octal system well and want to rethink each combination. Simply use the following chart to easily convert each digit of octal number system into a set of 3 binary numbers. So like here, so 0 in octal number, it is written as 000 in binary number, and 1 in octal number system, it is written as 001, and 2 in octal number, it is written as 010, and 3 in octal number, it is written as 011. 4 in octal number system, it is written as 100. Again 5 in octal number, it is written as 101. 6 in octal number, it is written as 110, and the last 7 in octal number, it is written as 111. So let us take one example in this also. So I have given a very simple example over here. Convert octal number 540 into binary number. So here we have 540 to the base 8. Now 5 means what in binary number? 101. 4 means what? 100, and 0 means we are writing triple zeros in binary. So now you combine these all, now your final binary number is formed: 101, 100, 000. So this is very simple conversion you can use for mixed. Can you try this? Also, if you have any problem, you don't need to learn it right now. Just you need to. And can you convert these octal numbers into binary numbers too? If you have problems, please let me know. Thank you. Take care, stay safe, and learn new things.